Hello and welcome to Prop Tiger's Right to Home online event where we will connect prospective home buyers with reputed developers and their top projects across the country. I'm your host Neha Sharan, and to help you pick the best property options in Gurgaon, we have with us Mr. Uday Singh from Godrej, who will answer some of the most pertinent queries related to their project in Gurgaon. I also welcome Mr. Deepak Dureja, who is the city head and property expert in the Delhi NCR bucket. Warm welcome to both my panelists.
Thank you, Stefan. Hi, good afternoon, Stefan.
Now, without wasting any second, let us immediately start with a discussion about Godrej. We begin with a few questions. Mr. Uday, I have a few questions for you that would help our customers understand the project better. So tell us a little about the Godrej legacy and Godrej's footprint, especially in the Delhi NCR market.
Thank you for the this platform and my very good afternoon to each and everyone, all the panelists who are here. So about the Godrej, we all are aware that Godrej is there present in these days with each of us, and there's some of the other way in their household things. But in last 10 years back, we started in NCR. We have launched our first real estate project, and from 10 years back, we started this journey, and today at present, we are almost the number one developer in NCR region, and we have almost 17 to 18 projects, and many new projects are on pipeline. It's thanks to you all and to our customers. So we already have delivered 11,000 plus homes, and we are having almost 194 million square feet land on pipeline to be launched in coming years. Uh, so when it comes about Godrej, we all know there's a legacy of 123 years, and the way we are going, we are one of the conglomerates which are doing best in industry, and we are thriving to become one of the best customer centric product of in real estate industry of the country.
Thank you, Uday. Now, let's wait no longer. Which is the project in focus today?
So we are gonna talk about one of the most personally favorite project to me, and this is a project which we have launched around 2 years back. It, the name of the project is Nature Plus. Most of us are aware that one of the most successful launches which we had, where we had sold almost 280 flats on one single day. So here, why this project is special to me, because in this project we had the central 5 acre green space, which these days families, whenever they look for an apartment, they try to have for their children. And so there are a few details about the project I'd like to show you also. Can we have a presentation? This incomplete folio of around 10 projects we have got in Gurgaon. This is one of the projects which have maximum land bank and one of the biggest park area, central green spaces in the project. Can we have a next slide, please? So, if I have to talk about the legacy which we have already discussed, uh, project is specific because we all have heard a lot about Sona development, that it is getting the highways getting connected to Delhi Mumbai industrial corridor, as well as there is the sooner we are going to get a delivery of elevated corridor which is getting connected via Rajiv Chowk. So this place within no time, like within 1 or 1.5 years, you will see a lot of development happening, because road, social infrastructure and road will be developed in no given time. And one of the key things about the location, if you'll ask me, uh, this location is already having existing education hubs, which give an add-on advantage to the people who gonna come and occupy this or take a possession in another 2 or 3 years. They will not be having any difficulty, because to the corporate office, this place is going to be 20-25 minutes away at max. To the schools and colleges, it is in the same vicinity, in the same area. And a lot of new malls and retail spaces are also coming and already existing in the area. So for me, this location is personally favorite. If I have to talk about the project specific, so we quickly run through the slides. Can we have next slide, please? The, so as we have already discussed about the nearby schools, healthcare institutes, hotels, banks. So in proposed infrastructure, we have just not discussed about the elevated corridor, which is getting connected to Rajiv Chowk. It will cut short our distance to all the big office spaces nearby, like Cyber Hub, Horizon Center 1, to your Sona Road offices, even to T3, it will hardly take 30 minutes after delivery of this particular corridor. Can we have next slide, please? Can we? So there is one more thing. If we talk about this particular belt, uh, when this IMT Sona was being announced, that was one of the most critical thing for the location, because it is going to attract a lot of corporates and their warehouse in this particular belt, and it will generate a lot of employment in this area, which will completely take up this particular location. Can we have next slide, please? So now coming to this particular specific project which was talking about, uh, this project we have got 40 plus wellness features. When I was talking about this 5 acre of green space, there are including that park area, there are amenities also, modern amenities. हम सबको पता है कि आजकल जो भी parents या anybody who is in age between 30 to 40, they want to live a very healthy and active life, as well as they want to provide a similar lifestyle to their children and family too. So this project have covered all those aspects, and it is in midst of Aravali range. It is surrounded by Aravali range and going to be very in between nature. So this is one of the key features about the project, which is already you can see the 40 of them are there on your screen. And we have next slide. Just run through the some of the images which are related to these 40 activities. So there's a cycling track, there is a sport arena, there's a PG, A6, and some new type of activities which you'll generally not find in the these days existing projects. So we are taking care a lot about the health in this particular project. We are having organic cafe, we have spa, sauna, we have Hancock zone. We are having a socializing plaza along with the amphitheater, and there will be a celebration lawn also. One of the key thing these days, whatever project we are delivering, we are thinking a lot about greenery, nature, and how to make sure that we are developing our project sustainably. So we ensure to plant maximum trees. So one of the examples of such development is Nature Plus. We have got, you won't believe, we are having 800 plus trees in this 18 acre of land parcel. So this project, these are the some of the images which can give you an idea that how project grand entrance lobby gonna look like, how your bar and restaurants gonna be. So these are the things for the Nature Plus. But we have got something special. We'll announce that at the last. So this was from my side. This Nature Plus was there.
Thank you there. But I have another question for you now. Now, Serenity is trending digitally these days. So please enlighten about it.
That was the project which I was talking about. The so this is when I initial I have talked about that when we have launched this project. This was one of its type of success we have got in the project. But seeing the changes, you know that every day something new comes up. There have been, last year was almost uncertain for most of us because we were under lockdown. A pandemic thing came in, but we thought that why not to design something which is very good, seeing from the present, very futuristic from the seeing the present conditions. So we are having something. So I'll just request a panel to play a video. I've got a teaser video. This is the first time we are revealing a video, and this is your platform. the teaser we said, that's why we have really limited information in that we are waiting for a RERA number. As soon as we'll be having a RERA number, we'll be going all out. One of the one of the most key things which we're gonna do in the project as a company, we always try to come up with some revolution in the project, be it any industry. So this is going to be one of its type. Just I'm having a limited information to share as of now because we are abided by governance. So we just need to wait for a time. As soon as we'll receive a RERA, we'll surely reveal that information that what exactly Serenity is about.
Thank you. Thank you there. So my next question to you for you there is, why should someone buy an apartment in Gurgaon Sona Belt and more specifically in Sector 33?
So you know that in Gurgaon we are seeing a lot of traction these days in and around the development like Dwarka Expressway or this Delhi Metro Industrial Corridor. But if you'll have to compare both the like Dwarka Expressway along with this construction which is happening in Sona Belt, the difference is this that Sona Belt highway or elevated corridor is getting ready in 2021 itself, which is going to be almost 2 years ahead of other development which is happening in the new developing area. Like if you'll talk about New Gurgaon or you talk about Dwarka Expressway or you talk about Extension Road. So this place, just because that infrastructure is getting ready soon, that's why we are very positive and we think that this area will develop very fast. And one more reason that because it is very nearer to the existing infrastructure, existing corporate offices, this area is very nearby. After development of these roads, this will cut short the time like anything. It will be hardly 20-30 minutes drive away, and it is very the location you are getting, whatever you will get in Extension Road, you will get of almost of the 60% cost only. So there is one thing which I want to include, that just to give you a teaser, we have an existing project by name Godrej Air, which have been one of the revolutionary project of Gurgaon when we have announced. So we have something similar. I'll just show you one slide for our viewers. Can we have at CTFA plus PHI? So we are going to come up with a technology which is going to revolve around providing a place which is completely free from all type of pollutants, and along with it, it will be ensuring about the microorganism also. So there's some brief which is written, but we will be calling this technology as a CTFA 0.2 along with PHI, where PHI stands for photohydroionization. Just wait for more collaterals. When we'll receive, we'll be giving a complete detailed information about the project, that what exactly it is and how it works. But we are ensuring this that for our buyers, that they are buyers as well as for investors, end users and investors both, that we will be providing something which is very new, unique, and very useful, and will surely give you give returns on your investment.
Thank you. Now, Deepak, coming to you, you've been to multiple webinars. You understand, what is the user asking in the market today? One of the questions that they keep on asking us is this the right time to buy? What are your opinions on that?
Sneha, I think this is a very, very common question, for in the mind of any user or any buyer, any investor. When he goes out in the market, he would definitely want to understand whether this is really the right time or not. So I tell you, so I have two answers to this. The first answer is property is something which is just the time every time when you buy it. It is the right time every time when you buy it. So this is what my one-line statement as far as my first point is concerned. Second point, following the first point technically. So this is the time to buy because the market has not been growing at a very rapid pace. It's been a while, especially in NCR. Okay, So we have not seen much of the growth happening as far as prices are concerned. Yes, quality has gone up. Okay, since RERA has come into the picture, so developers are being very regulated, and they have been delivering things on time. And brands like Godrej, the corporate brands and the most trusted brands out in the market, they are doing really well with just to upkeep their brand in the market, to upkeep the latest technologies. As I'm just seeing, whatever Uday has just presented, this is like a new era of real estate. We have never seen such amenities or facilities being provided by any developer so far within your house and each and every apartment. I guess today you're giving all these in each and every apartment, right? So I think these are the new technologies which are coming. Market has not gone up too much since few years. So this is the time, and a lot of inventory has been sold in last 1 year. So now definitely there is no chance the prices will not go up. So this is the time you buy it. You have things available today. Tomorrow they might not be available because selling is happening at a very good pace. So yes, this is the time.
Also tell us what should home buyers keep in mind when they are buying in the Gurgaon market today? Is there something that you want to be cautious about? The kind of developers that are in the market, what decisions should they be making?
See, I think a very important point, Sneha, to keep in the mind today is the brand. Okay, which name you are going to bet your money upon. This is very important today. Okay, so I think, see, everyone is making homes, everyone is claiming very beautiful brochures, picture is cute, everything is nice. But I think the thing which is most important for me as an advisor, I advise is you should always look at the background. You should always look at whom you are betting upon. You should always look at, are you really going with a trustworthy name? So I think the brand that we are presenting right now, the name itself speaks, Godrej. This is the most important thing. Legacy, whether they have got
So
those deep pockets or not.
yeah. So Deepak, I'll come back to you again on a question about how coronavirus has impacted the Gurgaon real estate market, or rather the larger Indian real estate market. But before that, let me come to Uday. Uday, I want to ask you one last question now. Godrej always comes up with something very new in all its projects. So, what is special about Serenity?
So that's what we were talking about. That was rightly mentioned by Deepak ji, that when we are talking about providing something, a type of life upgrade to every individual owner or every individual user who is residing over here. So this is we are coming up with something special which have never happened in India. And the best part is this, that we are going to keep it patented, this technology with us for another 5 years. We are going to come up with something very technical, but it is very user friendly, and it is very when it comes to from the using point, it's very easy to use, and it makes a lot of sense to the end users. So just wait for that. In no time, we'll be revealing that. But just to give you an idea that it is something related to centrally treating your pollutants, majorly
Okay.
around that.
All right. This sounds very interesting. So, if someone is interested to know more about Serenity and about investment and purchase in the project, how should they go about it?
So whenever there is so before radar, definitely we can't take any money. But at the same time, many people who wants to have a good unit, like they want to have a park-facing unit, or they want to have upper floors or lower floors or middle floors, so they can generate their preference. They can meet. So our site is operational at Sona, Sector 33. They can meet our executors, so they can directly contact us, and we will help them to generate and secure their priority so that they can have in this revolutionary product, they can ensure that they will have a unit of their choice. They have to do one simple thing, that they have to give an EOI by name of Godrej of 5 lakh rupees, and it will be dated in March month.
Okay. So, Deepak, my last question to you: how has coronavirus changed the real estate space?
Sneha, coronavirus first of all has changed the mindset. What we have learned during this pandemic is the importance of a home. The buyers, they have realized that having own home is very, very important. Be it big, be it small, doesn't matter. But one should have its own home, which is very, very important. So the sale has definitely gone up. Sale has not gone up by any marketing. Sale has not gone up by any wonders in branding and advertisements. But sale has gone up by the mindset that buyer is carrying today. First thing. Second thing, Corona has changed the mindset again. Corona has changed the mindset of a developer today. Okay, developer have understood that just by giving four walls of a house will not suffice. We have to give safety also to the buyer, okay, to the homeowner. So this is what I guess Uday has been explaining. Okay, this is just not a home. Okay, this is more a caretaking place that they are making. So I think caretaking place is what Uday has been explaining. Since last some time. So this is definitely a change in mindset. So Corona has changed mindset of a buyer, of a seller, of a developer, and everything has become more streamlined, more focused towards customer service, more focused towards right buying, and with good brands. So I think this has given a positive impact to the mindset overall. This is what I can say about this.
We end on a very positive note. Thank you, Deepak, and thank you, Uday. Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries. We'll be coming up with more such interactions so that we're able to help out our customers to make very informed choices. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.